Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, today we're going to learn the Yoruba alphabet. The Yorubas call it alphabeti Yoruba, and I'm going to be calling them one after the other. I have some guests here and they will be helping me to echo it so that you can hear. You can also join us and say it along with us. So here we go. Ha, B, D, A, E, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Yes, very good, children. Clap for yourselves. Yes, but we are going to go another round so that people can hear it very well. So here we go again. A, B, D, A, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Yes, thank you very much. Now, that is the Yoruba alphabet, and in all we have 25 letters, and the 25 letters are actually similar to the English alphabet, but some of the English alphabets are obviously not here, like the letter C is not here, the letter Q is not here, the letter V is not there, and X and Z are not here. So these letters are not really pronounced in the Yoruba accent. Alternatively, we now have some letters that are similar, that are repeated, like A and E. But the difference between A and E is the sound, and while A is like in Ade, E is like in Eja. So the two of them they look alike, but this spot under this one makes it different and makes it sound different. Also, another like it is Ho and O. Ho is without any dot under it, and it's like orange or omo, but O has the sound hyphen under it, and it has the spot. So while this one is O for oko or owo, this one is omo, ojo. So now another one like it is the letter S in Yoruba. It is in two forms. So it's either we are calling the ordinary S or we are calling sh. So the dot under it makes it sound sh, as if it's like you have to put a pressure on in between your teeth before you call it and go sh. So that is why we call it sh. So the one without the dot sounds like sare. So it's the simple one. It goes like sare, sanwo, or sun. But the one with the dot, that one sounds sh, like shoko, shile, and as many more as are in the Yoruba alphabet or sentences and pronunciation. So in all this, we can also bring out vowels, and in Yoruba the vowels are called voweli, and the vowels in Yoruba are here, and we can identify them as a, e, I, o, u. So now I want the children to echo it with me. Children, are you ready?
Yes.
So now a, e,
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 i, o,
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 u,
a,
a,
e,
e,
i,
i,
o,
o,
u.
u.
Those are the vowels. What did I call them?
Vowels.
What did I call them?
Vowels.
They are the vowels. And in Yoruba, the vowels means faweli. Say that.
Faweli.
Good. Say that again.
Faweli.
Good. So those are the vowels. And all other letters that we did not call are called the consonants. And they are called consonanti in Yoruba. Say that.
Consonanti.
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 Yes. So today you have learned the alphabet in Yoruba, you have learned the vowels, and you have learned the consonants. So now let's go over it one more time and say the alphabet in Yoruba one more time. A, B,
B,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F, G,
G,
B,
B,
I,
E,
G,
G,
K,
K,
L,
Mi,
N,
O,
O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Good. So that's very good.